For single mom Toni Anderson, raising her daughter Lane on her own wasn't easy.
I struggled a lot. I lived from paycheck to paycheck, and I had to take a couple jobs, and it was a detriment to my daughter because I really wasn't there for her.
Anderson says she divorced her husband back in 1970 when Lane was just 3 years old. Toni says her ex-husband took off and went to Canada, leaving them behind in California.
He made the first payment, $160. I was so excited, I would never forget, and I deposited it in my account, and it bounced.
For 49 years, Anderson says her ex-husband failed to make his monthly child support payments, including $210 per month for a period of 30 months, and thereafter, child support payments of $160 per month until the child reached the age of 21.
It was a challenge for me because Mom was always working, always had to support us. So she was never around, and that was hard.
But last year, Anderson said she realized there's no statute of limitations for unpaid child support in California and decided to take her ex, Donald Allen Lenhart, who is now living in Oregon, to court. According to the lawsuit, Anderson's ex-husband owed over $153,000. That includes back child support with interest and attorney fees. The statute of limitations law for child support debt vary widely from state to state. In some cases, a parent has 10 years to file a complaint. In others, there's no deadline.
Hopefully, it will motivate individuals who owe the child support to come forward and pay that child support so that they're not hauled into court.
Her ex-husband, Donald, releasing a statement saying, "We had an informal agreement that I was operating off of after our divorce. But when Miss Anderson filed her motion in 2018 to collect the $35,000 in principal plus interest, I hired a private investigator to locate her so I could offer her payment."